In this video, I'll show you how to blur the background in Photopea step by step. Blurring the background is a great way to make your subject stand out and give your photos a more professional look. First, open your web browser and go to **Photopea, com***. Click **file***, then **open***, and select the photo you want to edit. Wait for the image to load completely. Now, separate your subject from the background. Use the Object Selection tool **, Quick Selection tool **, or Magic Wand tool ** to select the main subject. Take your time to make an accurate selection, especially around the edges. After selecting the subject, click *select and then inverse **. This will select the background instead of the subject. Now go to *filter, choose *blur**, and then select *Gaussian blur**. A preview window will appear where you can adjust the blur amount. Move the slider until the background looks smooth while keeping the subject sharp and clear. If needed, use a *layer mask to fine-tune the edges and make the transition between the subject and background look more natural. Zoom in to check for any unwanted blur on the subject and make adjustments if necessary. Once you're happy with the result, click *file** and save as PSD* to keep an editable version of your project. To create the final image, click *file**, export as *, choose *PNG** or JPG**, and click Save ** to download the edited photo. That's how you can blur the background in Photopea with just a few simple steps. This technique works great for portraits, product photos, social media posts, and YouTube thumbnails. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Photopea tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.